Hey there, folks, and welcome to Cricket Scrapbook. My name is Vaibhav Minocha,
I'm Manas Sharma.
and you are watching the first episode of Scrapbook Reacts. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest videos. So, Manas, what do you think we are reacting to today?
I don't know because you have not told me.
अच्छा, तो let me just describe it. IPL 2020 कहाँ पे हुआ था?
शारजा, दुबई.
शारजा में अभी रिसेंटली नाम किसने किया था?
पता नहीं.
राजस्थान रॉयल्स ने.
To current events. Continue.
Rajasthan Royals won the first two games that they played in Sharjah,
Okay.
and what people called it now was a desert storm. But सबसे पहले desert storm कब आया था? We'll go back to then, and we'll watch the desert storm which Sachin Tendulkar created. His innings of 143. Surprisingly, उस innings में when he got out, the score was 142. बाद में the scorers checked it again और उसको 143 किया.
Why?
Because कहीं पे ऊपर नीचे हो गया था.
Of course, because people were busy screaming and burning things.
चलो, let's start.
Ball speeds
I'm really excited for this.
after hitting the middle of the bat, but what Ganguly's
And what a match, man. Australia versus India.
He's seen the ball so well, so early. What he should be doing? Screen
One भी खेल रहा था इस मैच में.
jam it around and go for the ones.
और ये सामने आके आसमान चुम्बी छक्का छोड़ दिया है सचिन ने.
Sachin, man, what a shot.
I like
अंकल भी
Indian
ताली
style.
बजा रहे.
That's just what the doctor
That is the Sharma ji that is happy in this.
Australia scored 284 for 7.
something had to give.
During that time, मतलब 285 chase करना है.
Kasparovich as if he's an off spinner. In fact, Kasparovich did bowl the slower delivery. And he's hit it with the spin on the up into the deep mid wicket stance.
ये सचिन का फेमस था ना ये.
हाँ,
Opening the legs. ये जब लेग ओपन होता है सोचते हैं अच्छा अभी कुछ होने वाला है.
बैक टू बैक. आई मीन सेम शॉट दोबारा बोल के मार रहे हैं.
I like Malayali uncles and Shahjaz going, hey, oil.
I mean उस टाइम का jersey, there's something about that jersey.
They revamped that jersey in the recent cricket team.
Yes, he's
Oh, what
pushed
shit.
away. Just spraying onto leg stump. And this time Tendulkar got some bat on it.
ये माइकल कैस्परोविच का ये जो रिएक्शन था, I mean this sums up.
Oh, lovely shot of the right foot.
So what I was saying was Michael Kasparov का जो रिएक्शन था, this sums up the current India tour of Australia और पूरे ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम का रिएक्शन हुआ था.
So that shot,
You don't see it in a long time.
I missed that shot. You don't see that shot anymore.
Defensive stroke to not all that bad delivery. Tendulkar has made
Unreal, the technique. Unreal.
In 21 overs they got to 105. They are keeping the chase alive, man.
Okay, I've seen this video like 80, 90 times or something like this. Not this particular video, but like 80, 90 times this innings. ये जो अभी कमेंटेटर की आवाज है ना, ये अभी यहाँ है.
हाँ,
और
ये
अभी
अभी
यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचती है.
आसमान छूती है.
उसके
Oh,
बाद
what a shot! What a shot! I mean, क्या मारा है? It went higher than it went long.
yeah, very.
Also brought up the 150 for India. India 151 for 4 after 32. Smashing Kasparovich straight back over his head. He picked up the slow
Shit,
delivery
man, what a shot!
and hammered it towards
कोहली
the
फेल है इसके सामने.
But good.
Tendulkar's the man who's been batting.
Damn.
Wonderful stroke. There are 2 men out
अच्छा, बारिश हो गया. टारगेट रिड्यूस.
there. One off.
क्या लगता है मानस, रिड्यूस टारगेट चेंज हो जाएगा?
India has a bad history with reduced targets.
ओवर भी तो कम हो गया ब्रो.
Good looking teddy bear as well.
98 strike rate of 89.
ये चलता है bro. ये oh my
Look at
god.
that uncle like jumping.
Absolutely. हाँ ये पुराने टाइम में स्क्रीन में ऐसा आता ना साइड में.
100.
Wonderful 100 from Sachin Tendulkar.
मैन अगर हम लोग ये मैच लाइव देख रहे होते ना, हम लोग नाच रहे होते हैं जिस टाइम।
मैं निकल गया होता होता है यार, हर बार बड़ी गेम के बाद इंडिया हैज वन अ बिग गेम, वी वुड ऑलवेज गो आउट
हाँ,
जस्ट इन द वाइब।
एंड वो फ्लैग लपेट के लाइक जंपिंग। 100 from 111 balls. Old uncles also clapping.
That's a couple days shot.
He's got inside the ball and whacked it down to square leg. That now really does take the pressure off them. They dancing in the.
I think India lost this game, correct? No, they qualified but they lost, right?
अभी देखो क्या होता है।
Mention down the comment below, did we qualify and lose? I do not remember.
What a player. Lovely, crisp.
So when अच्छा अभी देखते हैं। I'll tell you then.
Again, the pressure is off. He's gone after the border of the very first delivery of the over.
ओवर के पहले बॉल पे मारा है।
Innings today, he's played so straight.
This is confidence. He's like going after the target. There are like 9 overs left.
Not 9.
Oh shit.
It's a 46 over.
5 overs left and 70.
गया
Oh,
नहीं,
बच
drop
गया।
4.
Over the fence for 4. Well, that is it, I'm sure now.
But to be honest,
I like how Punjabi uncles are just being Punjabi. ये कहीं भी हो सकता है. That Punjabi uncle, if you can just like, if you can just take it out and put anywhere, शादी, funeral, बच्चे का anniversary, बच्चे का birthday.
I'm proud of him for dropping that catch, man.
Cover just lost.
Like I'm so happy.
Damien Martin there in the outfield. It's not easy.
Behind him, dancing Punjabi uncle.
India need to qualify 14 runs from 28 balls. ये तो हो ही जाएगा.
Again, watch him go.
Oh, beautiful.
Out the onside. No that time. Straight to mid
मैं
wicket.
घंटा बोल दिया.
They need 48 from 24 balls to win the game.
First ball I called beautiful gets caught.
48. Oh my god.
Nice line. It's all the way.
This is where uncles has asthma attack. Commentator uncle.
Tendulkar wants to win this match.
गोरा कमेंटेटर जो ये बोल रहा है ना,
Champion and he needs a challenge.
बहुत खुशी होती है.
You can't have a bigger challenge than that. He's gone berserk here in Sharjah. That is the 6th six of this innings. The slower delivery. He's picked it up and hammered it out of the ground.
His sixes are very high in this match.
What
बहुत
is
लंबे
it
छक्के
what
मारे
is
हैं.
it in Sharjah's pitch? Like, why do batsmen outperform there?
Big single that time saves down the non-strikers end.
What do you think?
Over the laxman.
हाईवे होता है ना, पिच नहीं है वहाँ पे, हाईवे है.
1 run.
इंडिया क्वालिफाई तो कर गई मतलब. अब ये क्वालिफिकेशन मैच देखेंगे बाद में.
No trouble at all. Sachin Tendulkar has taken it to the Australians and the Indians are through to the finals. These two teams are going to do battle again.
चलो congrats, India have qualified.
Battle it's going to be.
In 1994.
That's his highest score. His highest score in one-day internationals. What a time to do it.
Oh, what a shot.
Wonderful.
This is a typical T20 shot. बाहर निकल के ऑफ टाइम में रूम बनाया and then hit it.
Unbelievable.
Over covers.
This is the stuff that the champions are made of. I have to use that word.
Words are not enough anymore, Mr. Shastri.
Shastri has immortalized so many matches for India.
Yeah.
He has been the commentator for like most of the iconic games that India has played.
Must man. I want to know the beer this man drinks.
At this point, he already had 14 centuries at the age of 24. What a legend.
I'm 25.
Rulam mat bo.
14 centuries.
32 runs needed from 19 balls. इस पॉइंट पे तो लाइक चेस कर देना चाहिए.
Oh, he's got him. Has he got him caught behind? Big appeal. And not
Shit,
gonna
man.
give him. They can't believe it. I reckon he's got a nick on that
20
one.
साल पुराने मैच को देख के भी बुरा लग रहा है.
Sachin Tendulkar's walking, is he? Yes, he's walking. Well, that's the end of the most incredible.
इस पॉइंट पे सब लोगों ने टीवी बंद कर दिया होगा.
इंडिया क्वालिफाई कर गया, गांड मरा है दुनिया.
नहीं बट फक द मैच. 32 रन नीड ऑफ 19 बॉल. लेकिन अभी और नहीं देखना है.
नहीं.
सचिन आउट हो गया, बस गेम खत्म.
Gone over his shoulder.
Point
यार
पे.
ग्लव लग गया यार.
Away.
लव लगा दो.
लेकिन अंपायर ने आउट नहीं दिया था. सचिन क्यों वॉक कर गया? यू शुडंट हैव वॉक.
deserves that ovation.
I'm still heartbroken, man.
Handedly into the finals.
I'm still heartbroken.
सस्ता डेविड वार्नर
सस्ता डेविड वार्नर. ए, को $20,000 एक्स्ट्रा दिया सचिन तेंदुलकर को for that innings. Okay, so here's the thing. When Sachin Tendulkar got out, 32 runs were needed from 19 balls. India lost that match. And Manas, any guesses India कितने रन से वो मैच हारा होगा?
30.
You're very close, 26. We had 5 wickets in hand.
What do you expect from Rishikesh Kanetkar?
नहीं, मतलब if he played for India कुछ तो खास होगा बंदे में, लेकिन फिर भी like that was the state of Indian cricket then. सचिन आउट हुआ और उसके बाद पूरा टीम हक दिया. Like this is perpetual.
Anyway, but this was an amazing video. This is one of Sachin's best innings, I feel, and I think that this innings generally holds a lot of importance for me because my father still talks about it. So it's one of the
And in the very next game, Sachin created Desert Storm once again by scoring 130 more.
I know. Yeah.
That is just crazy.
Consistency.
Yeah, consistency.
If you can screw them once, you must.
ऐसे 100 hundreds नहीं बनते bro. 100 hundreds करने के लिए ऐसा चाहिए होता है. गर्दा उड़ेगा.
Okay.
Okay. Anyways, guys,
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you want. And even though this is a live channel, I'm going to be calling this video off Chris Scrapper. Keep watching.